Let's start in English reading, Ethan. Please read the following phrases. Let's start here.
Fun looking in. Always love.
Next.
The baby's blanket. A plate of rice. The tall tree a few minutes.
Not so fast.
Was in the
Oops, excuse me.
The permanent activity tomorrow. A long time ago. 7 years a week. A whole long time. Many candies under the table. The canteen, the bookyard.
Okay, last page.
A happy class on top of the branch. All you know.
And
A pink dress.
okay, very good, perfectly great. Now, Ethan, give me the comparative and superlative form of the following adjectives. Bad,
Worst.
few,
Fewer, fewest.
another few,
Yes, is.
good,
Better, best.
many,
More, most.
light,
Lightless.
sad,
Sadder, saddest.
young,
Younger, youngest.
happy,
Happier, happiest.
and dirty.
Dirtier, dirtiest.
Okay, very good. In mathematics, Ethan, please count from 183 up to 203.
23,
You start from 183.
135.
Now, still in math, Ethan, what is the number after 135? Number after 168. After 190. Okay, put down your hands. After 203.
204.
After 142. Okay. In science, which groups of animals are cold-blooded? What does, don't put there, Ethan. What does cold-blooded mean? I said don't play with your hands. Put it on your lap. Ethan, on the lap. Okay. How do you call animals with backbones? No. I said with backbones. Yes, right? Okay, stop. That's enough. What are they? Are they vertebrates or invertebrates? Okay. Animals with backbones. Next, how do you call animals without backbones? Give me 3 examples.
Clam, starfish, octopus,
Okay. Are sponges animals or plants?
animals.
What is the difference between an octopus and a squid?
An octopus has 8 arms, a squid has 10.
Okay, has. How many legs do insects have?
6.
6. Okay. What is the name of this insect?
Wasp,
Wasp. Okay. Identify the parts. What is this?
head, abdomen, antenna, wings, thorax,
Okay.
legs,
And
wings,
now parts of a butterfly.
head, eye, antenna, proboscis, wings, abdomen, legs,
What is this?
thorax.
Okay. Now, Ethan, Are spiders and scorpions insects?
No.
Why?
Do not eat legs.
To what group of animals do they belong?
There's no proof of animals.
In social studies, Ethan, what are some neighbor countries of the Philippines?
Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Nepal,
No, Thailand, Taiwan and Hong Kong are not in Thailand. Brunei, Indonesia,
China, Indonesia, what?
including
Hong Kong and Taiwan and Nepal.
in ethics, what is being lazy?
Not good to what happened to
Is it good to be lazy? What is disobeying? Disobeying. Not to disobeying.
Forgetting something,
Disobeying. Not
to
to.
do, but not to do.
Okay. Sabi kasi, is it good to disobey? What is being wasteful? Ethan, not so fast. Huh? Huh? Is it good to be wasteful?
No, it isn't.
And what is being bossy?
To always tell what others do.
Is it good to be bossy? Okay. In religion, recite the Latin version of Our Father. Sigut et nos Dei. Okay, very good. Still in religion, what are the two main parts of the Bible? How many books are in the Old Testament? What are the first 5 books of the Old Testament? How many books are in the New Testament?
27.
The 4 Gospels of the New Testament are?
Matthew, Mark, Luke, John.
Okay, lastly in German, translate the following words. Name,
Name.
date,
Datum.
speak properly, don't shout. Exercise,
Sermon.
letter,